Addition of fraction. Addition of fraction with same denominator. Three plus 1 equals 4. Three plus 4 equals 7. Addition of fraction with different denominator. Four multiply 3 equals 12. 7 multiply 2 equals 14. 12 plus 14 equals 26. 7 multiply 3 equals 21. Final answer is 1 and 5 over 21. 9 multiply 4 equals 36. 7 multiply 3 equals 21. 36 plus 21 equals 57. 7 multiply 4 equals 28. Final answer is 2 and 1 over 28. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. 12 multiply 5 equals 60. 6 plus 60 equals 66. 12 multiply 2 equals 24. Equals 11 over 4. Final answer is 2 and 3 over 4. 4 is equals to 4 over 1. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. 2 multiply 4 equals 8. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. Final answer is 7 and 1 over 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.